Please make sure to not eat or drink anything 30 minutes prior to taking the sample. In your set, you will find a funnel, a water ampoule, a sample bag, and a tube. Rub your cheeks for 10 seconds using your hands to release enough cells from your mucous membrane. Run your tongue over the inner cheeks a few times. Open the tube and insert the funnel into the opening. Open the water ampoule and rinse your mouth with the water for 10 seconds. Then spit the liquid through the funnel into the tube. Close the tube again with the cap. Put the tube in the sample bag and close it. Return your sample within 7 days of taking it. You can store your sample at room temperature in the meantime. If you have ordered multiple analyses, return them all together.